Alright, how you guys doing today? We're going to be doing windshield wiper replacement on an old 3 Ford Focus ZX3. The wiper blades for the front is a 22 and a 19, and for the rear it uses a size 10 through 15. Alright, and I'll put on the links below what wipers I bought. Alright, first thing you want to do is take the old ones apart. There's a little tab in there. I'll show you on this side once I do it, but you pull it and pull it out, and the new ones just slide right in. Alright, bring it over here.
Help me pop this up here so that she doesn't...
Alright, you're done. All done. It can be used on any type of J-hook type wipers, so you can use this for more than that. Alright, remember to like, subscribe, give thumbs up, and that's about it. Have a good one.